10 Beautiful Ornamental Plants with Names. Whether or not you are a plant enthusiast, you cannot deny that plants invariably elevate the beauty of the space. They add a beautiful pop of green in the drab best corner of the house and undoubtedly lend an outdoorsy feel to the interior decor. Well, nature definitely has a way of charming us in a million ways, and we cannot be thankful enough. Whether you have lately evoked interest in plants and wish to light up your living space or need to alter the interiors for the forthcoming season, there are some uniquely beautiful plants that are absolutely fitting to bring life and color to your home. Below are 10 examples of ornamental plants with names to end your search. And of course, let's not forget the plethora of health benefits they will bring along. Before going into the video, discover the forgotten power of plants, the Home Remedies Handbook. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the lost book of herbal remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that all of our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So make sure to check the first link in our description to get the book. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Silver Nerve Plant. Silver Nerve Plant is one of the best evergreen ornamental garden plants with deep green leaves that have delicately veined leaves running throughout. That being the focal point, these vein tints can vary from white, silver to green, pink, etc. The leaves are large and majestic that will drag attention, no matter their placement on the display. 2. Fibre Optic Grass Plant. Although it looks like grass, the Fibre Optic grass plant is an ornamental plant that basically belongs to the sedge family and blooms year-round in warm climates or a sunny window. The tip of the long slender blades of the plant is decked with small terminal flower heads, giving a resemblance to fiber optic novelty lamps. 3. Snake Plant. Snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue is one of the best ornamental plants to refresh your shady porch. The plant has robust, textured leaves in a sword-like shape spiraling slightly through the length. The plant can grow up to 1 meter long and therefore, it is suggested to place it in a strong pot. 4. String of Pearls. A string of pearls is a trailing succulent with delicate tendrils of round beads. If you are seeking the best ornamental garden plants, this should definitely be on your list as they make a wonderful display in hanging baskets. They are drought resistant and grow several feet spilling over the edge of the plant. 5. Peace Lily. The peace lily is a large flowering plant that also makes for a perfect gift for loved ones. One of the most common houseplants, it has sturdy, glossy leaves with arum-shaped flamboyant white blooms. The gorgeous ornamental plant is also favored for its air-purifying traits. 6. Chinese Money Plant. Chinese money plant has round coin-shaped leaves and upright stems. It is a bold, decorative plant that looks stunning in short pots and grows well in bright indirect light. It is also known as the friendship plant. 7. Air Plant. There are many varieties of air plants. They usually have gray or green blades and grow only a few inches. As the name suggests, these ornamental garden plants do not anchor themselves to the soil. You can suspend them in glass globes, beds of dry pebbles, shells, barks, etc. 8. Water Bamboo. Water bamboo is one of the most affordable online plants that are widely exchanged as gifts because they are believed to bring good luck, health, wealth, prosperity, and positivity. Also known as lucky bamboo, they range from 2 layers to 7-layer bamboo plants. 9. Bonsai. Bonsai, coming in various types, are dwarfed potted trees, and growing them is considered as an art form in Chinese horticulture practice. They are a miniaturized but realistic representation of nature with textured barks, thick trunks, and attractively intertwined livewoods. 10. Bunny Ear Cactus. Bunny Ear Cactus, also known as polka dot cactus or angel's wings, is a Mexican cactus with clump-shaped circular pads. These ornamental garden plants are 2 to 3 feet tall succulents with short whitish-brown prickles known as glochids. During summers, they are likely to produce creamy yellow flowers and globular purple fruits. These beautiful houseplants are sure to fill your dull and boring space dramatically with their attractive aesthetics and add life to your decor. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.